Discover the interactive whiteboard designed for collaboration. It combines Windows 10 and Android OS for seamless operation. Experience intuitive touch searching and dynamic presentations. Enjoy features like electronic page turning and durable construction. The interactive whiteboard ensures safety with round corner prevention. Its mobility is enhanced by 360-degree steering wheels for easy transport. Enhance engagement in classrooms and boardrooms effortlessly. The interactive whiteboard is perfect for versatile teaching needs. Store it easily with a self-contained tray, ready for your next session.